The first part is focusing ring. What is focusing ring? Focusing ring allows you to carry out manual focus. Turning the focusing ring moves the focusing lens group inside the lens, either mechanically or electronically depending on the lens design, which changes the focus.
The second part is hood mount. The main reason you use lens hood is to stop stray light coming onto your lens, which can create lens flare and give your image lens contrast.
The third part is filter mounting thread. A filter mounting thread is a lens filter thread size, refers to the diameter of the front camera lens where a filter can be attached.
The fourth part is the image stabilizer switch. To use the lens image stabilizer function, set the stabilizer switch of the lens to on before shooting as shown below.
The next part is lens mount index. The lens mount index is a mark on the lens that helps you attach it to securely to the camera body.
The next part is focus mode switch. A camera focus mode switch allows you to select how the camera focuses on a subject.
The next part is the zoom ring. The zoom ring is the function of the zoom ring is to change the focal length of the lens. In other words, adjust the zoom ring to change the perspective of the photo, the size of the subject being photographed, and the perspective relationship between each subject.
The next part is zoom friction index. The zoom function can be used to enlarge the screen segment into order to see details information better.